Welcome to our tutorial on changing the background color in FreeCAD. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to customize the background color to suit your preferences. So let's get started. Select any workbench. Create a new document. To change the background color, we need to access the Preferences. You can find the Preferences option in the top menu bar. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for and click on the Display category. Within the Display section, find the Colors subcategory. Here, you can see various color-related options. We're interested in changing the background color, so look for the Background option. In a Color Picker dialog, here you can select your desired color. Let's select Color Gradient. You can also add middle color. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to change the background color in FreeCAD. Now you can personalize your workspace to make it more visually appealing or comfortable for your workflow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more FreeCAD tips and tricks.